Hello, today I'm going to show you. Shit. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to nail wood into cement. You know, any kind, concrete cement. What I got here is I got a 22 caliper. I got a 22 caliper nail gun. Okay. So the thing is about this, I have to use it one at a time. As you can see, it's easy. Open it up. Put a 22 caliber in it. You put a nail right here. Okay. And shoot it. Put on your safety glasses. Inches even. Okay. All you need is press onto it. Press onto it and trick it. That's it. Let me show you another one. See, it's not moving. Okay. Let me just remove that out. I got a stupid neighbor, so he probably gonna call a cop on me shooting this, thinking that it's a real gun. Watch your hand. As you can see, watch your hand. Put one more. And that should be it. That's how you nail wood with concrete, or that's how you nail into brick, concrete, or anything, you know. That's how you do it. So it's nice and stable. It's not gonna move. If you like my video, thank you. Appreciate it. Subscribe.